back to Jen Beauty. My name is Jennifer, and here on my channel I like to chat about all things beauty and makeup, and today I have an Ipsy bag. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these, but the holidays are over and I figured I would start hauling my bags again until my subscription runs out. So this month the bag comes in this super cute little bag. It's adorable. It's a very odd choice for January, but you know, it's Ipsy. They say this is the year of you. Every bag has like a theme. Forget reinvention. Throw resolutions out the door. Never mind starting over. This year, just focus on doing you and discovering what makes you happy. Perfecting your skincare routine, experimenting with nail art, finding time to read, or reconnecting with friends. Okay. So the first thing that Ipsy chose for me is this Winky Lux Latte Kitten palette. The packaging is freaking adorable, but I can tell you already that this is coffee inspired, and it does indeed smell like coffee. I don't care for the smell of coffee, and I especially don't care for the artificial smell of coffee. I managed a coffee shop for a couple of years. Well, I worked in a coffee shop for a couple of years, and then I managed it for like 9 months before I was like, peace out, y'all. The scent already kind of like is a turn off, but if I could get past that, I would try it. But the color story is just not, it's not for me. It's a little too warm on this side, and I'm not trying to start using eyeshadow palettes where I don't even like half the palette. So I will be passing this one along at some point. I haven't quite decided how yet. And then the other thing that Ipsy chose for me is this, which, by the way, it makes no sense to me that they still ship stuff in the mailer instead of an actual box, but because my products arrive like this, like all dinged up. So this is the Fleur and Bee Nectar of the Sea Vitamin C Serum. I'm just going to open the package to show you the bottle and what it looks like. So it looks nice. It's a nice glass bottle, nice dropper, which thankfully it's sealed right there. I am not a fan of vitamin C for my face, or my face is not a fan of vitamin C. So I'll be passing that one along. And then the choices for, like the choices that you could make weren't great. I did choose the Pureliest Perfect Glow BB Concealer in Fair. I don't honestly remember choosing this, but Ipsy says I did, and I believe them. I don't remember what the choices were on this one. I was getting good about for a while about taking screenshots of what choices I had that month, but I didn't this time. And this is 10 mils. This one, my Uma Beauty Woke Concealer, is 5 mils. And then the NYX Bear With Me Concealer Serum is 9.6 mils. So even though this looks tiny, like don't be misled by packaging. This one looks like it would have more product in it than this one, but it's just the packaging. So I'm gonna put this in my back stock. I'll give it a try at some point. Not interested in opening any concealers right now. So we'll give that one a try. And then I chose the Ahava, this smoothing hand cream, superfood kale and turmeric. I don't really like hand creams, but I kind of figured these are easy to pass along. My mom may want it, or my daughter may want it. If not, I'll be panning it in 2025. And then finally, the Tarte Awake Sunshine Stick Illuminator. In hindsight, this may have been a mistake. However, let's give it a look-see. I do like the packaging on this. It says twist. Okay. Doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, there's a lot of product in here. So this is what it looks like. I'm not gonna swatch it. Not yet. But this says an instant lit from within glow in a stick. Use me daytime. Oh. Apply to under eyes in the morning for an AM wake up. Lord, I need that. And throughout the day to refresh, wear alone for a boost of radiance, or layer under or over makeup for a soft, luminous glow on the cheekbones, brow bones, cupid's bow, and bridge of the nose. Okay, so you can use it as like an under eye brightener, or you can use it as like a more natural highlight, which, let's face it, there's not a lot about me that screams natural highlight, but that's fine. And then I'm a clown. And I tried to purchase this eyeshadow palette in November, I think, and as an add-on, and they sent me the wrong one. They actually sent me a Natasha Denona palette, which, like, that's fine. It's not one I had already, and it's one of the bigger 5-pan ones. So when this came, oh, and when I emailed customer service and let them know, they were like, sorry, we're out of those. So when this came available, I was like, yes, please, I need this. Did I need another eyeshadow palette? No. But I bought it anyways. This is a beauty subscription box exclusive. So, I don't know if it's one that you can buy through their site. They have it listed on their site, but they have it listed as out of stock and beauty subscription exclusive. I don't know. I don't pay attention to these things as much as I probably should. So that is everything for today. Let me know if you get an Ipsy bag or any other subscription, and if you have been happy with it. Honestly, I was really happy with my Ipsy subscription for like the first 5 or 6 months, and now it's like, all right, let's let the time go up. Like, when is my subscription up? Because I'm an idiot and paid for a year. Anyway, that's it for today. If you like this video, I hope you give it a big thumbs up. If you would like to see more makeup and beauty content from me, hit that subscribe button and I'll have more coming at you. I hope wherever you are, you have a wonderful day. Bye. Oh my God. I need like oxygen or something to speak this much. I have a hand cream. Get it? I have a hand cream. I'll see myself out.